Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. My name is Janice Bernal, 38 years old, unmarried, high school graduate. I have 3 kids.
How old are they?
15, 11, and 5.
What is your religion?
Agripayan, ma'am.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
4 brothers, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any experience before as a helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In Philippines, ma'am.
For how long?
For 3 years, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve here?
6, ma'am.
Who are the 6 members?
1 couple, 3 kids, and 1 elderly.
How old the elderly?
83, ma'am.
Still healthy when you work with them?
Weak, ma'am.
She's weak now. Okay. And how old the kids when you start working with them?
5, 8, and 10.
Oh, what is your duties and responsibilities as a helper?
Cleaning the house, taking care of children, and taking care of elderly, cleaning the house, cooking, washing.
You go to market?
Yes, ma'am.
How often you do marketing?
Every day, ma'am.
Okay. You go alone?
Yes, ma'am.
You know how to cook Chinese food,
No, ma'am.
but are you willing to learn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
For the future of my children, ma'am.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employers need my service.
Okay. If ever you feel homesick, what will you do?
Praying, singing, and just calm, ma'am.
Okay. Just focus to your work.
Focus.
Are you willing to accept job order with other helper? Share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to accept job order with elderly as well, like your experience before here in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to look for a weak elderly? How about you newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you love kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pet?
Nobody.
Okay. Your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Promise to do my duties and responsibilities, ma'am. I'm trustworthy. Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much, HL 2079.